Hi there. This video will touch over our project, which is a mounting adapter for a sports swing assistive device to help children with disabilities feel included. Here's a quick glance at our team. Morgan Cook is a mechanical engineering major and is our team's project manager. Lauren Clark is a mechanical engineering major and acts as our team facilitator. Eliza Narsavage is a mechanical engineering major and is our team's purchasing lead. Jimmy Jablonski is a biomedical engineering major and is our team's lead engineer. Here we have the Overcomer, an assistive device to aid children with disabilities play swing sports like baseball, tennis, hockey, golf, and more. The design stands on an apparatus similar to a baseball tee that can be adjusted to various heights to be accommodating to all aged and abled children. One issue that arises with the design is that it's not mobile with the child. Instead, most often, a third-party user has to pick up the Overcomer and move it. That's where our project comes into play. We were tasked with creating a mounting adapter, which allows the top mechanism of the Overcomer to be directly connected to various mobility aids, including walkers, wheelchairs, and powered wheelchairs. This will allow the product to become mobile with the child and create more sense of independence for the user. Throughout the design process, we wanted to keep some of the features of the original Overcomer consistent with our design. This creates familiarity on how to use the various parts of the product and makes manufacturing much easier. From the beginning of our design, we decided to use the same rotating joints from the original Overcomer, which you can see on the right. We also decided to continue to use push detents within aluminum tubing for length adjustments. This design can be most comparable to a pair of crutches and how they are adjusted for various heights. Our design has 5 different length settings that can be used. For connection to the mobility aids, we created 2 different configurations, one that is suitable for wheelchairs and walkers, and one that is suitable for powered wheelchairs. In these images, you can see the red highlighted boxes are where those connections can be made on wheelchairs and walkers. For standard wheelchairs and walkers, we decided to use a product called the ToolFlex in our design. The ToolFlex's original purpose is for garage organization for brooms, shovels, or other home equipment. The rubber on the ToolFlex creates friction with the attached equipment that prohibits the hanging tool from slipping or falling. We decided to use 2 of these tools to attach to the mobility aid. We did various testing on the ToolFlex to understand the weight and force it would be able to withstand to ensure that it would stay attached to the wheelchair. Our data confirmed this, but we also added a Velcro strap to ensure safety. For powered wheelchairs, we decided to use T-track nuts and bolts for the connection. This was an easy design and is standard for most attachments to powered wheelchairs, so most users would be familiar with the installation procedure. The image on the left highlights the standard T-track found on most powered wheelchairs. The images on the right are our CAD models of the plates, nuts, and bolts that would be used in conjunction with the T-track for that connection. These images show both configurations of the connecting plate with the adjustable aluminum piping welded to that plate. The image on the left is for standard wheelchairs and walkers, and the image on the right is for powered wheelchairs. These images showcase the design attached to various spots on a wheelchair, either on the front or on the back handle. Our design is made so that the attachment points can be interchangeable depending on if the child is left or right-handed, or if one position is more suitable for their needs. This is an image of our CAD model design without the Overcomer head attached. Because there are push detent holes around the entirety of the aluminum tubing, rotation is easy for different angles. Having various angles of the mounting adapter is necessary so that the product can be adjusted for swing sports that are near to the ground, like hockey or golf. Once the design is attached to the mobility aid, the Overcomer is ready for use and mobile. The design we've created is easy to be attached and detached and is incredibly lightweight due to mostly aluminum components. We are so excited for our prototype to be finalized and for this product to be used by kids soon.